So today I'm going to show you how to properly clamp a piece of material into the Carvey using the smart clamps and the additional clamps that we have to secure it. When clamping, you want to use as many clamps as possible to keep the material secure, because as you carve, there will be vibration, and if you're taking away material, it's making the material weaker. This is called the smart clamp on Carvey. It has a little button that when Carvey starts, the bit will come over and hit it, and that will determine the top of the material. So what we're going to do to show you how it works is we're going to take off the green thumb screws and let you get a peek underneath. So there's two parts. There's the top of the smart clamp and the bottom. And what you want to do is slide your material into the corner so it's perpendicular. And you can use the lines or the guides on the Carvey wasteboard to make sure that you have it lined up and it's square. When you do that, you'll see that it's in the corner nicely. Now I'm going to put the top of the clamp on, and what you want to do is make sure that the holes are lined up so you can get the clamp's thumb screws started, and you want to kind of do them on an even amount so the clamp is nice and parallel to the top of your material. So now the clamps have two parts. There's the clamp bases and the clamp arms, and then there's a third part that holds it down. So what you want to do is make sure that the teeth are engaged, and you can tell that there's a little foot at the bottom. So they go like this. And you want to make sure that the clamps are at a slight angle. So if they're flat, if they're like that, or if they're flat, then your material is going to move around. So you just want to have them at a slight angle, putting downward force. The colors are associated with the length, so you want to have the same color for all of them. You'll put it in, make sure it's even, and then just thumb screw it down. Now for tightness, you want to make sure it's snug, but you don't need to crank on it. Once you feel resistance, maybe go one or two past and then stop.